This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 14,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.